How to add an admin on Facebook page the best way. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be showing you how to add another administrator to your Facebook page. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you want to do is log on to your Facebook account that you have created your page with. Once you have logged on to that account, you're just going to click on the account picture on the top right of your screen. Then you're going to click on See All Profiles. Once you have clicked on See All Profiles, you can actually choose whichever page you want to add a new administrator to. So let's say I want to add a new administrator to my Lash Grow page. So I will simply select this page over here. Once you have selected the page, you're going to click on the profile display photo on the top right once more, and you're going to click on settings and privacy. Then you're going to click on settings. Once you've done that, you're going to click on new pages experience, and then you have people with Facebook access. So from here, what you're going to do is you can choose to add community managers, so people that can moderate the chat or suspend or remove people. And you're just going to click on manage over here, and you can add community manager, and you're going to click on get started, and you can invite any person by email address or name to your Facebook page. Now this is just basic moderation. If you want to bring co-ownership, then you can just click on people with Facebook access, and this person will be able to access all the information of your page. So you can click on next over here and add that person by email from over here as well. So in this way, you can add more administrators to your Facebook page without having to open up the Meta Business Suite. So it's directly present within the settings section of your actual Facebook page. Then you can even add, sub managers such as community managers, and you can add as many people as you want. And any actions that you take on this page will be available to everyone that is managing that page. So that is something to keep in mind whenever you are adding new managers to your Facebook page. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I will catch you guys in the next video.